This is the perfect recipe to make you score big at a football watch party.
Our partners at Better Homes and Gardens are showing us how to make pumpkin guacamole dip.
Guacamole with a pumpkin twist. Start with a medium hot skillet, add oil, then mix in cubed pumpkin. Mix around, making sure the cubes start to brown. Then, season with a pinch of salt. Mix around again, typically for about 5 minutes. Grab a separate bowl, and then cut up avocados. 2 would be perfect for this recipe. It helps to cut them in half first, then remove the pits and leave the skin intact. It also helps to cut into cubes while still surrounded by the skin. California avocados are still in season, so this is a great time to use them. Next up, add a half cup of finely chopped sweet onion, followed by 3 tablespoons of lime juice, then 1 fresh red jalapeno chili pepper. Add a 1/4 cup of snipped fresh cilantro. Don't forget the pumpkin seeds, and about a half a cup will do. Then add a 1/4 cup of ground cumin, oil, mix in salt, and add a 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper. Then add the cooked pumpkin from earlier. Stir it all up until it's evenly mixed. And now you have the perfect end of summer, beginning of fall dipping treat.